Hi guys, welcome back to the third session in the series Cracking Exams by KD. Now, please understand, we are talking about VARC section slightly in detail with respect to CAT. हमने अभी तक क्या बात किया था? डाइवर्स रीडिंग पे बात किया था आरसी को लेके. Now we are talking about the entire VARC section. Verbal ability and reading comprehension. What I have seen that a lot of people have a misunderstanding with respect to CAT VARC. They feel that you need to be very strong in your English section. You need to be very strong in your English. That is, आप बहुत strong convent background से हो, आपने बहुत अच्छा English का लिटरेचर ले रखा है, तो आप क्रैक कर दोगे. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. और धीरे धीरे जब तुम आगे बढ़ोगे तो तुम्हें ये चीज क्लियर भी होती चली जाएंगी. जैसे जैसे तुम आरसी के क्वेश्चंस करोगे, जैसे जैसे तुम अपने मॉक टेस्ट उठाओगे और उनके क्वेश्चंस करोगे, तो यू विल बी वेरी क्लियर दैट दीज क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट डायरेक्ट और दीज क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट बेस्ड ऑन योर literature. These are purely based on your understanding of the words and the logic behind those words. So again I'm coming on to my point that कहीं ना कहीं logic based language हो गया है. If you look at paper pattern, you will find that there are total 34 questions in the exam and roughly around 24 questions you get from reading comprehension and 10 questions you get from verbal ability. And out of these 10 questions, you can see that there are 7 questions which are non-negative in nature, and RC में you get 24 questions which are straight 24 questions which are all objective in nature. So total maximum marks which are allotted to the section, they are 102. Okay. Now this is just to give you an idea that okay, this is the section and this is the marks detail. If you look at the percentile detail, then you will surely get an idea that कहीं ना कहीं कट ऑफ्स जो क्वालिफाई हो रही हैं, कट ऑफ जो क्वालिफाई होती हैं वो बहुत कम मार्क्स पे हो जाती हैं. तो कट ऑफ्स क्वालिफाई करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए होता है? आपको बहुत कम क्वेश्चन चाहिए होते हैं. आपको रफली अराउंड 10-12 क्वेश्चंस पे कट ऑफ क्वालिफाई हो जाती है अगर आप देख के चलोगे तो. बट दैट इज अगेन नॉट द पॉइंट. यू कीप अ चार्ट विद यू, यू कीप अ ट्रैक विद यू, एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट आई एम कमिंग टू इज दैट हाउ टू अचीव दिस, हाउ टू अचीव ऑल दिस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद VA. VA consists of 4 questions of paraforming, 3 questions of out of context, again which is a type of paraforming, and 3 questions which are based on summary. Summary is typically you read a para and then you draw a good summary out of that para. Okay, it is kind of comprehension, and rest 7 questions are like simply I would say paraforming only. Out of context भी एक तरीके का paraforming ही है. रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में तुमको अभी तक जो पैटर्न कुछ सालों में देखने को मिला है, दे आर ऑन 2 lines, 6, 6, 6, 3, 3, that is 5 passage with 6, 6, 6 questions and 3, 3 questions, or 5 passage with 5 questions for 4 passages and 4 question for 1 passage. Okay, this is a usual pattern which we are getting from last 4-5 years. Now, how to do this? See, few things you need. Number 1, your ability to read on a variety of subjects which we have seen in our first session. Then a strong vocabulary base to understand the passage, to understand the literal meaning of the line, and then your logic, your thinking, whereby you can understand the contextual meaning so that you can reach up to the conclusion, inferences, etc. Okay. एक और चीज चाहिए होती है इसके साथ साथ, that is third thing, your ability to identify a passage that you need to attempt. That is right order of attempt. So that is third thing that you need. And when I talk about verbal ability, I think you have to train your mind, simply train your mind in identifying the logic to identify the links. तो कहीं ना कहीं तुमको बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी उन लिंक्स को ढूंढने के लिए. किन लिंक्स को? जो पैराफॉर्म करते हैं, क्योंकि out of 10 questions 7 questions are based on that concept only. So please tune your brain towards logical linkages and you will be strong in VA. Okay, and of course RC में other than what I told you, you have to read on a variety of subject as discussed in the previous session also, and in this session also I am probably giving you a list of things that you can do in terms of your reading. Okay, so this is all about how you can improve or how you can crack this VARC section. Please stay tuned with us and follow us on all the portals so that you can get updates and notifications. Okay, thank you, bye bye.